If your plant-based protein looks like a bland blob, you're missing out on some serious food science magic. Let me show you how to transform it. Creating a meat-like texture with plant proteins sounds tricky, but it's all about the process. Start with a dry blend of at least 2 plant proteins, think pea and faba bean. Combine with water and run it through a high-moisture cooker extruder. This step heats, mixes and shears the blend, turning those proteins into a fibrous meat-like structure. Next, cool it down in a special dye, aligning the proteins into those delicious chewy fibers. Add a marinade, season it up and dry it to perfection. The result? A plant-based jerky that's tender, flavorful and surprisingly meaty, without a hint of gluten or soy. So the next time you bite into a piece of plant-based jerky, remember, it's all about the science behind the sizzle. Happy snacking, foodies!